Not quite sure if any of you do this, but right after I get out of the shower, after I set up the tripod and camera and get it ready for this video, I go to the beard and I like to say I'm being proactive with the situation. First thing I do is I go up to the mustache, brush it out to help train it not to go over my lip. And then the next thing I do is I kind of puff out my beard at the jawline and chin line to help it. I like more of a full presentation. Everyone's different. Some people like straight beards, some people like full beards. So what I like to do is puff out my beard at the jawline and then also at the chin. And so in addition to adding volume to the beard, it also helps with being proactive in preventing those dents at the chin and the jawline. And then once I'm about to head out the door, I go ahead and I brush it down so it doesn't look completely unruly. Alrighty, let's take this downstairs. UPS is here. I think I got a new camera. Shh, don't tell the girlfriend.
Super stoked right now. So that was in fact the camera I purchased. Man, I've been saving up for quite some time for this. And the reason why I got that is to help increase the production value of this channel. And I know that the video image quality isn't everything, but it does help when delivering your information, I guess, I hope. We'll see. But that's not the reason why I'm making this video today. The reason is, well, aside from that tip in the beginning, was that I wanted to let you know so that you don't miss out. Today is Black Friday and the Beard Struggle, everything on their website is 20% off, and that's including the new heated beard brushes. So yeah, they have the new heated beard brushes, they have dot bags, 100% leather, they have beard balm, beard oils, brushes, shampoos and conditioners, and combs. So yeah, if you have any money left over, because I know this is kind of late in the day, and personally, I've done probably 99% of my Black Friday shopping already. Case in point. So yeah, if you do have anything left over, oh, and also, not just for you, but if you happen to be watching this channel and you don't have a beard, but you know somebody that does, check it out. Makes a perfect gift for the holidays. Yeah. Oh, also, I have a promo code for you. My discount code is DanzBeard. It's D-A-N-Z Beard, all one word. So I'll link it down below the website address, and I'll also put my discount code down there as well. And yeah, but more importantly, happy belated Thanksgiving, and I hope you were able to spend some quality time with your friends and family. And I hope that you're enjoying the holiday season and all of the Black Friday sales. Be careful. Don't spend too much. Don't spend too much like I did. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving. Peace.